I'm the youngest in my family, and my mom and sisters used to make this recipe every single fall. I thought it was the coolest thing ever because of the swirl in the middle. To start off this pumpkin roll, I'm adding 1 cup of sugar and then 3 eggs. Now I'm just gonna whisk. I'm trying to incorporate a little bit of air into my eggs and sugar mixture. All right, that's looking pretty good. Now I'm gonna add my pumpkin. This is 2/3 of a cup of pumpkin. Next, I'm gonna add 3/4 of a cup of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cloves, 1/4 of a teaspoon of ginger, half of a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a little bit of salt. And that's it. That's exactly the texture you're looking for. Now you need to make sure you use parchment paper for this because you're gonna have to turn the cake out and it's gonna have to come out of the pan clean. I'm spraying mine really well. You can also do the butter and flour method as well. That will also make it come out really easily. To prepare this towel for the cake being rolled, I'm going to just lay it flat and then I'm going to add some powdered sugar on the towel. Kind of rub it around. This is going to help the cake from sticking to the towel. I'm just going to try to carefully flip this cake onto the towel. Now what I'm going to do is get some of that powdered sugar on top of it and then roll it up. You want to do this while it is still warm. All right, there's my pumpkin roll in there. I'm gonna let it cool completely. And while it's cooling, I'm gonna make my frosting. My frosting is gonna start with a stick of butter and a whole package of cream cheese, and they're both really soft. I'm adding in a bit of vanilla, a bit of cream, but you can also use milk. And I'm just gonna whip this together. That's all blended up, so I'm gonna add my powdered sugar. Add however much powdered sugar you want until you get the texture that you want. I usually end up doing about 2 or 3 cups. My cake is very cooled off now, so I'm going to unroll it. It's going to be really easy to roll back up once I get the frosting in here. This offset spatula is making it really easy for me to spread this frosting out evenly over my cake. I'm actually going to save some of my frosting so that I can put it on top of some pumpkin muffins later on. I can taste that cream cheese frosting. That's the best part, I think. And look at that beautiful swirl. Thanks for watching. I hope you get the chance to make a pumpkin roll this fall and check out my other fall recipes on my channel. Take care.